Think you've seen all the coolest gadgets online? Think again! These brilliant finds are the kind of game changers Amazon would never show you, but once you see what they can do, you'll want them all. Get ready to be seriously impressed. Links to everything are in the description below. If you've ever wished your oven could do it all, this smart convection oven is about to make that happen. It air fries, roasts, bakes, and even dehydrates, all in one sleek stainless steel design. Its powerful airflow gives you crispy fries, tender roasts, and perfectly even bakes without heating up the whole kitchen. It's like having a full-sized oven on your countertop, smart, fast, and incredibly versatile. If you've ever wondered what's really hiding in your mattress, this powerful vacuum is here to handle it. It deep cleans your bed, couch, and upholstery using strong suction, UVC light, and ultrasonic waves to tackle dust and allergens you can't see. The built-in HEPA filter traps tiny particles, leaving your air fresher. It's lightweight, easy to use, and makes deep cleaning surprisingly satisfying. This handheld beauty gadget brings spa-level skincare straight to your home. It uses 7 LED light modes, gentle heat, and micro vibrations to help tone your face and neck while reducing fine lines and puffiness. Whether you're targeting wrinkles or a double chin, it's designed to make your skin look firmer and refreshed. Compact and rechargeable, it's the perfect self-care tool for daily use or travel. This futuristic bathroom faucet turns everyday washing into a mini light show. The built-in LED changes color with the water temperature, no batteries needed, while the waterfall-style stream gives your sink a spa-like vibe. It even has a pull-out sprayer for rinsing pets, cleaning or filling containers with ease. Sleek, modern, and practical, this faucet adds instant wow factor to any bathroom setup. Ever been stuck with multiple dead devices and just one outlet? This powerhouse portable charger has you covered. It packs enough juice to charge laptops, phones, and tablets at the same time, all while staying flight-approved for travel. The built-in display shows exactly how much power you've got left, and you can even control it through an app. A true lifesaver when you're on the move. If you're always working on the go, this clever little mouse is about to make your setup so much smoother. It magnetically snaps to your laptop or case, so it's always right where you need it. No more digging through your bag. It's rechargeable, super quiet, and connects via Bluetooth or a wireless dongle. Plus, a 1-minute charge gives hours of use, perfect for busy days. Movie night just got an upgrade. This portable projector brings a full theater experience anywhere you want. Bedroom ceiling, living room wall, or backyard setup. With built-in Netflix and Dolby sound, you get instant access to your favorite shows with rich, immersive audio. Autofocus and smart alignment make setup effortless. Compact yet powerful, it turns any surface into a 120-inch screen of pure entertainment. Meet the fan that actually follows you. This smart pedestal fan tracks your position and adjusts airflow to keep you cool wherever you move. Its 3D oscillation sweeps air up, down, and around the entire room in seconds. With Wi-Fi control, voice commands, and 9 quiet speed settings, you can customize comfort without lifting a finger. It's powerful, whisper quiet, and built for ultimate relaxation. Cold hands? Not anymore. This refillable hand warmer delivers up to 12 hours of steady, flameless heat that keeps you cozy wherever you go. Its sleek metal design fits right in your pocket and refuels easily for reuse again and again. Perfect for outdoor adventures, winter walks, or chilly commutes. Just fill it, light it, and enjoy hours of comforting warmth on demand. Falling asleep just got easier. These ultra-comfy side sleeper earbuds are designed purely for better rest, not for calls or workouts. They stream soothing sounds for up to 10 hours, then automatically switch to noise masking mode once you drift off. Built-in sensors detect your sleep and even wake you gently with a personal alarm. Soft silicone tips make them so comfortable, you'll forget you're wearing them. Grill cleaning just got a major upgrade. This automatic robot takes over the dirty work, scrubbing away grease and grime while you relax. Just set it on the grates, press start, and let its triple spinning brushes handle the mess. It even beeps when the job's done! With this little helper, you can focus on good food and good company, not the cleanup afterward. Pure water doesn't have to be complicated. This countertop purifier gives you 7 stages of filtration, including UV light and remineralization, for clean, healthy water that tastes amazing. Just plug it in, no plumbing needed, and it's ready to go. The smart display shows water quality in real time, and the glass carafe keeps everything fresh. You can even infuse fruit for a flavorful, refreshing twist. Hauling stuff upstairs just got a whole lot easier. This stair climbing cart rolls smoothly over steps, curbs, and uneven surfaces without breaking a sweat. Its durable aluminum frame and 6 silent wheels handle heavy loads while protecting your back. When you're done, it folds flat and slips neatly into your car or closet. Whether it's groceries, luggage, or moving boxes, this cart makes carrying effortless. Your front door just got smarter. This fingerprint lock lets you unlock with a simple touch, a code, or even your phone. No more fumbling for keys. Built-in Wi-Fi means you can control it remotely, share access with guests, and check who came home, all from your app. The tough zinc alloy body stands up to weather and daily use. Sleek, secure, and surprisingly easy to install. If your legs feel heavy after a long day, this full-leg massager is like having a personal spa at home. It uses gentle air compression and soothing heat to relieve soreness from your feet up to your thighs. With adjustable modes and intensity levels, it adapts to your comfort, easing tension and improving circulation. It's a perfect way to unwind, recover, and recharge every single day. Meet your tiny robot buddy who actually has a personality. This smart home companion can recognize your face, react to your voice, and even show emotions with his digital eyes. Ask him to play music, tell you the weather, or set a timer. He's always ready to help. With built-in AI and Alexa, he keeps learning new tricks every day. It's like having your own little robotic friend who never stops improving. Bring your clothes and furniture back to life with this powerful fabric shaver. It removes lint, fuzz, and pilling in seconds, leaving fabrics looking brand new. You can adjust between 3 speed settings for delicate or heavy materials, while the LED screen shows battery and speed info clearly. With fast Type-C charging and a long-lasting battery, it's perfect for quick touch-ups or full refreshes. Your secret to crisp, clean fabric care at home. This indoor bike brings the road right into your living room. With incline and decline settings that mimic real terrain, you can climb, sprint, and coast just like you would outdoors. The massive touchscreen lets you follow global workouts or train with pro cyclists, while Smart Adjust technology tailors resistance to your level. Built tough, smooth, and quiet, it's a premium cycling experience without leaving home. Your watch just got its own travel buddy. This mini magnetic charger snaps right onto your smartwatch and powers it up. No cords, no hassle. It's about the size of your keychain, so you can take it anywhere, from daily commutes to long trips. The built-in 1200 mAh battery gives your watch a full recharge on the go, while the LED lights show power levels at a glance. Compact, fast, and safe, it's the perfect backup for your wrist tech. This clever tripod takes solo recording to the next level. It automatically tracks your face or body as you move, rotating a full 360 degrees, so you're always perfectly framed. You can start, pause, or lock tracking with simple hand gestures, no app or setup needed. It even includes a remote and built-in light for better shots. Rechargeable, portable, and smart. It's like having your own camera crew wherever you go. Ever wished you had your own personal cameraman? This self-flying drone follows you wherever you go, no controller needed. It takes off from your palm, tracks your movement, and captures stunning HDR video while you stay hands-free. You can choose preset flight paths like orbit or zoom out for creative shots that look straight out of a movie. Foldable, lightweight, and easy to use. It's your pocket-sized film crew on demand. Here's a gadget that brings professional ear cleaning right into your home. This electric ear cleaner uses gentle water pressure to flush away wax safely and comfortably. You can choose between 3 modes, from a light rinse to a deeper clean, and the LED display keeps you in control. Its dual tank design drains used water automatically, so there's no mess. Ever wanted to chill inside a giant gorilla's hug? This inflatable sofa turns your living room into the ultimate jungle lounge. Its massive plush design feels like sinking into a cloud, perfect for gaming, movie nights, or just goofing around with friends. The furry finish is soft, durable, and easy to clean, so it's as practical as it is wild. It's not just a sofa, it's a statement piece you'll never forget. This tiny gadget sticks, stands, and sings all at once. It's a magnetic Bluetooth speaker that snaps right onto your phone or any metal surface, turning it into an instant sound station. You can prop your phone up for movies, calls, or scrolling while the RGB lights pulse to the beat. Despite its small size, it delivers clear, punchy sound with deep bass. Portable, fun, and surprisingly powerful. It's your pocket-sized party starter. Don't be fooled by its size. This little powerhouse shines like daylight in your palm. With up to 1,300 lumens, it lights your path whether you're hiking, camping, or fixing something in the dark. You can clip it to your belt, stick it to metal surfaces, or keep it charging in its smart Type-C case. 6 brightness modes give you total control, from gentle glow to blinding beam.